What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Monet Hayslett. I am from the UK. Just kidding. I'm from the United States, you know. I basically just want you to watch and subscribe to my videos, okay? Like, how many times do I have to tell you? Okay, if you want to get to know me, go watch all of my other videos. If you want to learn how to sew, go watch all the rest of my videos. If you want just someone to follow someone with a great personality, you guessed it, go watch all of my other videos and subscribe, hit that bell notification. Let's do this. I'm gonna introduce the video the right way because I had already like kind of introduced it, so we're gonna go back to that. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Jeans, and I was like, oh my god, like that is so freaking cute. I have to recreate that because I'm pretty sure it probably didn't cost so much, and they look so fierce. Yes, Laura. So that's what I did, and I was like, oh my god, let me teach my YouTube how to make these jeans, or the sweat jeans, these sweens. Insert laughing thing. Or no? Okay. All right, so for this tutorial, I have these pants that I have already cut because I thought I was going to make a bandeau top out of these, but summer has gone, so I can try again next year. I'm going to do a black on black. Got these sweatpants from Walmart for $7. Can you see the vision already? Cause who doesn't love a black on black, baby? Black, 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 black on black on black. Everything black, 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 black. Or not? No, it's definitely everything black. Anywho, next we have these sweatpants I also got from Walmart for $7, but I decided to buy the matching sweat top, crew neck, because I want to cut this into a crop and make it a whole look. I got these pants from the Goodwill for about $5. See this denim with this. We're gonna see how it turns out. Let's get started. Step number one, cut those jeans, honey. Snip, snip, snip. So now we're gonna put the sweatpants on top of the denim so that we can see where we want it to hit.
We just wanna make sure that when we're pulling to make sure that the side
So now, see the pins on the side? We're gonna leave those there. We're gonna flip the sweatpants inside out. Careful, so that you don't strip on it or stab your hands. Looks. Just gonna take this without this pin that's right here, that's holding that in place. You're gonna make sure you maintain where it was pinned because you still want to sew there. So I'm just gonna do that all the way down. All right, so that's one side down. Now for the second side, so that we don't have to try it on again, not yet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this over like this, like so. Flip this like so. Match these up. Make sure everything's matched up. And then, because we know that we folded this side like this, we're just gonna do the same thing to this side. So we're gonna begin, flip it in like this, and fold it. And we're gonna make sure that the size matches up with this other side. So, as close as possible. Then we are going to bring this down here and kind of begin to fold in the inside to match that size. So that's what's going on at the bottom. So we have that initial fold started. Then we're just gonna make sure that we pin the other pants or the other ones to match up as well. So folding the inside. You see that? Folding the inside. Like two talking lips. Hello there, what's going on? That was super lame, but you know, I'm kind of a corny person and I'm not ashamed of it. So. To take it to the sewing machine and we are going to sew down the sides at a, let me see, not even a 1/4 inch. We're just literally going to sew at literally a half of a 1/4 of an inch. I don't know what that would be because I just don't. So let's just go to the machine and I'll show you, okay? And then I'm using this silver part as where I want to make sure that this stays within, which is the same as this line. I'm going all the way down as I'm sewing, okay? right where this button that I broke is hitting is where I'm drawing the line. I draw the line at that button. Okay? Draw the line.
I draw the line at this button. Okay? I draw the line. This is where I draw the line.
All right, I'm overdoing it. I'm done. Done. You win.
I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a one to one. I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one to one. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the